Happy Tuesday. It is a Taco Tuesday, bringing in some Tuesday thunderous trading lessons. How do we trade gap reversals by aligning multiple time frame analysis? Check it out. This is LCID trade that we took in the room today, and I want to talk about as why this gap reversal was good and why I've traded the way I've traded this gap reversal in the morning. So check it out. Number one, you gotta start with a weekly chart. So this is a daily chart. So let me just get into the platform and show you how this looks like. All right, here we go. So this is your weekly chart right here. That's your weekly chart. That is your daily chart. So daily chart's already been down. I mean, the stock's been down from $65 to $5, and it tried to rally, came back, couldn't hold the support, broke support, and today it gapped down right into this area. So it was really the earning reaction. It wasn't really gapping to support. Now I was watching this area to break 621 and see if it was going to break. If it's going to break, it's heading lower. It's going to retest. Now the morning we got a green bar, red bar, and remember this, we talked about no fall through. Now this is not what I would call it an ideal range expansion bar. I would like to see a good volume in a range expansion bar. This one didn't really have a volume, so let me fix the charts here. Didn't have a really range expansion volume. So it got up here, and now I'm starting to get really interested in this. You know why? Because the 21 period moving average on the hourly chart is starting to catch up, and look where the 21 period moving average is on the hourly chart, 675. Remember that area. It goes up here, 675, comes back, then it bottoms here and put a higher low at 665. The entry was 674, right over here, over this green bar, because in terms of what kind of move this was, this is more of an A, B, C, D move. This is your A move, this is your B move right here, and then this is your C move, and then D move is just break this out. Now let me show you how this worked out on the platform. I had 2,000 shares here today at 674 originally, then I added another 1,000, so I had about 3,000 shares. I sold 2,000 and I'm holding 1,000 overnight, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here's my trade right here, 674. That was the entry, keeping 1,000 and then rest as I'm gonna let it ride. To keeping 1,000, took profits on 2,000. It was a really nice trade. Today, 720, 674 to 720. I'm not good at math, but that's 46 cents on a $2,000. I'm sure you're going to be okay with that, aren't you? Again, 46 cents, take profit on 2,000 shares, 920 bucks. Now, this trade would have been, close to $1,200 straight in few minutes of trading, because then you let the trail stop, and it doesn't stop because it stays within the trend here, So combining multiple time frame analysis will always help you get the best results possible. So hope you like it. If you like it, you subscribe it, give it a like, put comments, let me know what you're looking to achieve out of your trading and how I can help you achieve your goals. Stay focused.